From vast fields, the journey of sugar begins with the harvest of sugarcane or sugar beets. Raw materials are transported to the factory, where the industrial process awaits. Giant claws unload the fresh harvest, preparing it for its transformation. The sugarcane undergoes an initial wash, shedding the earth's impurities. Powerful shredders break down the stalks, exposing the inner fibers. Massive rollers press the shredded cane, extracting the first sweet juice. The raw, murky juice, rich in natural sugars, flows into collection tanks. For sugar beets, hot water diffusers gently draw out the sugar content. Robust industrial pumps then propel the raw juice through the factory's arteries. Initial filters remove larger particles, clarifying the crude liquid. Lime is carefully added to the juice, initiating a crucial purification step. The lime juice is then heated in enormous tanks, preparing it for clarification. In vast settling tanks, impurities slowly separate from the sugar-rich liquid. Heavy, dark mud, a byproduct of clarification, is efficiently removed. Further filtration using industrial presses ensures the juice is free from solids. A clear, amber-colored juice emerges, significantly purer than its raw form. In towering multi-effect evaporators, water is gently boiled away from the juice. The liquid thickens into a rich syrup, bubbling intensely under controlled heat. Vast clouds of steam rise from the evaporators, a testament to the water removed. Thick, concentrated syrup is then pumped to the next stage of processing. Automated sensors precisely monitor the syrup's viscosity, ensuring optimal concentration. The dark, dense syrup represents a significant step towards crystallization. Within vacuum pans, sugar crystals begin to form and grow from the concentrated syrup. Through sight glasses, the mesmerizing growth of individual sugar crystals becomes visible. The resulting magma, a mix of crystals and molasses, fills the pans. Centrifugal machines spin rapidly, separating the sugar crystals from the molasses. Dark, viscous molasses, a rich byproduct, is collected separately. Raw sugar crystals, golden and moist, are discharged from the centrifuges. These raw crystals are redissolved, preparing them for a second, deeper purification. The sugar liquor is gently reheated, ensuring a consistent solution. Tall columns filled with activated carbon remove remaining color and impurities. A brilliant, crystal-clear sugar liquor emerges, signaling profound purity. In a second set of vacuum pans, pure white sugar crystals are carefully grown. Another round of centrifuging separates these pristine white crystals from the final syrup. Rotary dryers gently tumble the refined sugar, ensuring every crystal is perfectly dry. Vibrating sieves meticulously sort the sugar into precise granular sizes. Perfectly formed white sugar crystals cascade into clean collection hoppers. Automated machines precisely fill and seal bags, readying the sugar for consumption. Robotic arms efficiently stack the finished bags onto pallets for storage and transport. In vast warehouses, countless pallets of refined sugar await their journey to consumers worldwide.